What's going on, creative minds? It's your boy Tutorial Tone here, back with another media production tutorial. This is Canva, editing videos, music, and animations. Let's get into it. So first, when you're on your home screen, you could go on the search bar and look for animated social media. So with Canva, you get numerous different templates to choose from. So all you have to do is go through there, pick the one that you like, and then you can start editing. So for example, I like this one. It says paid, but there's ways around it. It's not totally a paid one. So first, I click on the template. Once I have the template, as you can see, it has different animation, different things you could choose from. So first, I'm gonna edit the text. So once I click on the text, it gives me different options up top where I can change the text. So for this example, I'm gonna change the text. And then I'm gonna change the bottom. So now, like I said, what made this whole template a paid template was that picture. So if I remove the picture, I could add my own uploads. So what I'm gonna do is just click on uploads. And then once I find the photo I wanna upload, I just import it to my template. And now I could just adjust it to the template. And now here you have the option to send it forward or backwards. So seeing that his hand is over the camo hoodie word, I'm gonna send him to the back to put him behind there. Now, if you would have sent them all the way to the back, then it would have put him in the back of the background template. And we don't want that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna undo that. Okay, so once I undo that, I'm gonna go ahead and go into elements. Now in elements, these are numerous different shapes, gradient shapes, lines, different things, stickers you can add to enhance your photo and add motion to your photo. So for example, in this sticker, I kind of like this here, so I'm gonna add it to the photo. So all I have to do is just go ahead and adjust it so it could fit the frame properly. Just right click, send it to the back. So for this item, I want to send it all the way to the back. Yeah, there we go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just drag another one, put it on here, resize it. Now with these elements, you have numerous options and different details you can do and tools and controls for each element. So for example, I can crop this element so it could be smaller and cut off some of it, but I don't want to do that for this motion sticker. You can also flip it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip it vertically so you can tell the difference. But if I flip it vertically, as you can see, it's going vertically to the opposite direction. So however you want to do it, depending on the item you use, if you want to flip it, rotate it, however, you can just do it from the controls there. And you can also center it with the position here. Change the opacity or the transparency. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix this. Flip it back. Okay, I'm gonna Send it to the back. There we go. All right, so that's looking cool. So I want to add a little bit more to it. So if you know what you're looking for when it comes to elements, you can find a lot of unique things. One of them is this thing called Blob Liquid. Once you type in Blob Liquid, this has a lot of different things. So as you can see, those are the corners where I got the corners from, or where they created the corners from for this frame. And as you can see, a lot of them are free. So you could just go through them, look and find the ones that fit your design and work on them from there. So I'm gonna see which one that I like. That's cool, but now I'm gonna try to pick something else. Let's see. Okay, I like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on here and I'm gonna try to reframe it so it can line up. I'm gonna send it to the back so it won't be over my picture, because I want my photo or my model to be in the front. Then I'm gonna change the font. Just slowly but surely work on it until you feel like you have your finished product. Motion template, you can adjust the timing just by clicking on that watch, and you can put it to say 15 seconds or so. You can also click on animation and choose how you want the intro and outro, or basically the intro of the motion to come in. So as you can see, there's a few that's paid for and a few that's free. I like this rise one, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pick this one. Let's see how that look. Now we go into audio. Now there's numerous different audios you could choose from. As of now, I don't see any option that Canva give you where you can go ahead and upload your own audio, but for now they have a library of different songs and different music you can choose from. So depending on your account, some of them are paid for, some of them are free, but it's really up to the ones you want. So I saw a free one that I like, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick it. So trying to see if I can find it. I believe this is it. Yeah, I like that. So as you can see, the artwork is kind of getting cut off on the edges. So you just make sure everything line up so it can look clean. Resize that a little bit. Yeah, that looks better. And then now you could just preview it. Like that. So once you preview it and you like what you got so far and you want to export, now you can go ahead and either share it if you want to collab with someone else to work on it by just putting in their email, or you just click on download. Now the suggested format is MP4, which is supported by most social media platforms when it comes to videos. So I suggest you, if you want your animation in there, you do MP4, but they also give you the option of doing GIFs, PNGs and JPEGs, but those are also pictures, and GIFs is no audio. So the MP4 is the format that you would like. So once you're done, you just click download, and that's pretty much it. Thank you everyone for watching. This is another tutorial tone media production tutorial. If you like what you saw, everyone, like, share, and subscribe. See you on another video.